are gonna make slime for the first time. Woo!
Ew.
What you would need is Elmer's glue. And then you need water, shaving cream, and Tide detergent. Then once your glue is almost gone, you fill it around halfway with water. That's about half, right?
Yeah.
Guesstimate.
Just unscrew the top and just pour it in.
Where'd
But this
the
is more
spork
fun.
go? You want to mix it?
Not that mixing, that mixing. On the edge here.
I'm on the edge of glory. Okay, then you put shaving cream. Put this in.
Don't put too much or it will overflow the bowl.
Woo. Okay, that's good, that's good. Oh, just gonna rub that. Makes good moisturizer. Woo.
There! It's like marshmallow fluff. Don't eat it though.
Okay.
Don't drop it in there.
Don't drop it. Now we're gonna put this, but we need to do it slowly. Oh. Yeah, that's good. And then mix it, mix it, mix it. Whoa! Slime action. Do we need more?
Hey!
Problem solving.
If you want it to be less sticky, then you have to add more detergent.
Oh my god, it's slimy. So if you don't want it to stick like this, you need more detergent. And we're stupid. By we're, I mean me.
We
Didn't put
I warned you.
more detergent. So now I look like a slime monster. And she just dropped it in the dirt.
Capture my
Yeah.
shame.
What are you doing?
Don't capture my shame.
What did you do? No! It dropped in the grass too.
We're just like having all the struggles
I
right
lost
now.
a lot of slime.
We're just gonna
When
have
you
to, like,
hold your
throw it
slime,
away. Don't leave it like this.
yeah,
it will
it's
slowly
gonna.
make its way down.
And as you can see, the result: grass and slime. You don't want that. We're just gonna use one slime. We're not gonna separate because that's too much work. I can see why your parents was like, Leanne, don't do it inside. This is our fail.
I'm a Snapchat.
Yep. And this is our outcome.
We dropped it in the grass.
We tried. We're putting in food coloring.
Gonna blend it.
Green in to make it teal.
Take your fork
Or
Oh.
fork.
and then just fold it.
Fold it in so then it can mix. Okay, we're adding
Reds.
even more green so then it can become more teal. 'Cause right now it's like a soft blue, but we want it to be teal. Add a little bit at a time. So we're just gonna fold it. Thumbnail.
Wait, it's not focused. Okay, now it's focused.
Split it. Okay, we're gonna add silver now.
Oh, it's chunky
Yeah, it's
silver.
chunky. No, don't die. So we moved inside because it's really windy outside and grass was getting inside. This is our final slime.
Okay. That looks like a butt. Stop it, Amy.
It was closed.
Complications.
See, if you drop glitter like Leanne, you can just clean it with your slime.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If we get to 1 thumbs up, we'll do this again. We promise. Maybe not slime,
but-
maybe shaving cream painting. If we get 1 thumbs up.
1 thumbs up, like, and subscribe down below.
We're not gonna do that, Amy. Edit that out.
I'm not gonna edit that. Okay, bye.